How's this look for breakfast? Bacon Grands cinnamon rolls with my new favorite fast food fully cooked bacon ready to eat. Usually microwave that for a few seconds and it's ready to eat. I'm gonna roll them in there. I was gonna use a round pan, but I think I'm gonna use this because the Grands are pretty big. I'm gonna put them together on this parchment paper. Let's see if these still open the way I remember. Remember? Okay, peel this here. Stand back. Poppin' Fresh is gonna come out. Yeah. Ooh, nice buns. Oh, that's right. We've got icing on top then too. Is that gonna go good with bacon? Put these out on my parchment paper. My workstation. Nice icing. Why not, right? Save that for the end. Now open this fully cooked, ready to eat bacon. About 10 slices. See? This comes in handy if you want a quick BLT or something like that. Show you how we're going to do it. Separate the buns. Don't sparse them up too much. Take a hunk of bacon, unroll it. Look. Whoa. This is my idea. And like I said, we normally microwave that bacon, but the time it takes to bake this bun or roll, the bacon's gonna be perfect. Look at that, we might need 2 slices. Oh, look at this. Roll it up. Bacon cinnamon pinwheels. Look at that. Slice of bacon. Roll it up. Second slice. So that's 2 feet of bacon in every roll. You gonna make this today? You can use your already cooked bacon. I like this because it's bendable and it's not too crispy that it's gonna break apart while we roll it. What do you think? After a nice breakfast like this, we can go out and play with our lawnmowers. Did you see my new hubcaps, my new mag wheels yesterday? So much fun. What's next, right? And these are gonna bake in my toaster oven, 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Look at this. This is not a work of art. Ooh, am I gonna have enough bacon? They said 10 slices, did they? About 10 slices. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Just about. Rolled up. I don't even know if one icing on these, maybe. I'll have one with icing and one without. Last one. Great idea. Thank you. Easy. Delicious. All I have to do now is wait for them to bake. What do you think? I guess we could have put them in a round cake pan too, but I'm going to do it this way. All right, in the oven, 350 for 20 minutes. Which one you want? That's going to be a nice one, huh? Right up here. Going in. Oh, the timer's set for 15. I'm going to turn it up to 20. Okay, be back. 6 minutes left. How do they look? Ooh. Stop looking at them. Ooh, the timer went. Cancel. Thank you. That's the Kasuri toaster oven, air fryer, rotisserie. Oh, which one do you want? Oh, you should smell them. Oh, cinnamon and bacon. Whew, I gotta let that cool a little bit. What do you think? Oh boy, look at it. Oh, ow! Oops. Perfect. Oops. I can test that one. Oh, that's good. Let them cool for a couple minutes. So while they're still warm, I added some frosting or icing. Look how crispy this bacon is. Oh, look. It's going to be crispy inside. I might want some plain, but I might want some with this on it. Sweet and savory. Is that what they call it? What a nice crunchy piece of bacon that was, that little morsel. Dare I take a bite of this delicious concoction that I thought of on my own? Ooh, it's time. I got a bite of bacon. And a taste of bacon. Boy, that's so delicious. Two feet of bacon in there. Look at a nice fancy plate and napkins and everything. I can't wait. I forgot to tell you, we're working on a pasta meal for our other channel, Pasta Word. That might be on later tonight or tomorrow. Check it out. It's going to be good. Well, Papa Fresh, you should start making these, huh? These are delicious. Try these. So easy, convenient, and delicious. Best thing I eat today. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Things are looking good. See ya.